Good day everyone, my name is Thabang Mlangeni, the founder of a tutoring company called SSTP, Student Study Tutoring Project. I would love to be one of the people who are welcoming me today for the pitch competition summit for 2026. On behalf of the Leroy Foundation, we would love to wish you all the best, and may the good Lord grant us the serenity. On behalf of the Leroy Foundation, as a founder of SSTP, I would love to explain the impact and everything that has been prepared for all founders who are under the incubation program, is to make sure that we focus mainly on prioritizing the compliance, making sure that our companies are compliant, and implementing all the systems that we have been led through, and all the knowledge that we've equipped. And would love to say that in this 10-month program, attending workshops, it has not just been a milestone for us, but it is marking a mark for our companies that we are learning a lot from the role. And with that being said, you are well blessed and you are well granted an opportunity to say that with the Leroy Foundation, it is our home, and today, welcome home, and may all the best wishes to you be granted positively upon your companies. We are wishing you all the best on behalf of the Leroy Foundation and the Changemakers Incubation Program. With that, thank you so much for the opportunity, and thank you, Leroy Foundation.